What's up? Welcome back to my channel, TikTok. My name is Caela, and today I got asked a question, and I like to say no questions are stupid, but this was. So the question, what was it? Can deaf people read? Why? My first thing is, why can they not read? What prohibits them from reading? Yes, they can read. It's kind of like, can deaf people drive? What prohibits them from driving? Their eyes work fine unless they're blind. Then they might read differently in a different way. But yes, in short, deaf people can read and read perfectly fine.